Hey guys, welcome to my video. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to change the battery from this fob key. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this ring. If you're like most people, you're going to have this key attached to a bunch of other keys. So we're going to take this off. So you guys can see this key has a screw right there. What we're going to do is we're going to use a miniature Phillips screwdriver. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to put some pressure on it and unscrew it. Okay, so once you unscrew it, you're going to take a flathead, miniature flathead screwdriver. So you guys can see there's a slot here. What we're going to do is we're going to pry it in that slot just a little bit, and this thing should come out. All right, that's the cover for that. So at this point, you're going to take it off, take this off, this whole entire thing. And this is what we're going to, this is where the battery is. It's inside this cover. All right, this is what it looks like outside from the fob key cover. What we're going to do is we're going to use a screwdriver, this miniature flathead, but you could also use your fingers to pry this off. So what you're going to do is pry from this end right here. You're also going to pry it from this end. So you can see the battery is here. So take a look at this. This is a flat battery. The side that is protruding out is the negative. The absolute flat side is the positive, which is on the other end. So you want to make sure when you put the new battery in that you're gonna put it in the correct way. So to get this battery out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your flathead. You're gonna pry this. Now pry that open, pry that apart, and there you have it. You guys can see the battery that this uses. See if you guys could see that real well. Is a CR1616. It is a 3 volt. All right. That's all the parts to it. Now, to put it back, what you're going to do is you're going to take a new battery and you're just going to pop it in. Make sure the side that's protruding is the side that's facing up, which is the negative side. All right. You're going to take this. You will match it up. And what you're going to do is you're going to pop this in. You're going to snap this back in. So it should snap in like this. All right. Sometimes it gets caught on the little rubber bushing, which pretty much I think makes it kind of not waterproof, but watertight, I guess. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna match the pattern, pop it in, and you're gonna close the cover up. Just like that. And you're gonna screw this back in. Now this is a pretty small screw. You know, you want to do this in a flat area where if the screw comes off, you don't lose it. You know, because these screws could be hard to find if they fall off somewhere. But this is how you change the battery on this key fob. If you guys have any questions, leave your questions in the comment section. As always, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up if this has helped you in any way. All right, guys, take care.